Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here my Sur-Ron Ultra B and I'm going to be installing a proper skid plate. So let's get to it. For this install I will need my drill, a few drill bits, and a 5mm Allen key. I'll include a link to a few of my favorite tools in the description below, as well as a link to the skid plate itself. And here's what we get on the bike, stock. We got a plastic skid plate, maybe 4 or 5 mils thick, kind of feels brittle, like it's going to snap under a real impact, and doesn't offer a lot of protection, bottom of your motor. The first thing we're going to do is take a 5mm Allen key and remove the stock skid plate. Here's a quick look at the new skid plate versus the old skid plate. Yeah, I think that's going to be a little better. To prepare the new skid plate, I'm going to take some brake clean or some iso alcohol, wipe down the base so we can stick down our rubber pads. Here we have the pads installed onto the skid plate. The small one's on the outside, the large one in the middle. Now I'm going to temporarily install the skid plate onto the bike so I can mark where I need to drill the holes for the controller to mount to the front of the skid plate. I've installed all 4 bolts and tightened them down for now. Now I can mark and drill the holes holding the controller to the front of the skid plate. I started with some smaller holes in the skid plate. Now I'm going to drill them out to 1/4 inch to accommodate the bolts. Then use a 1/2 inch drill bit to remove any burrs on both sides of the hole. I'm going to try and remove the nut clip off the stock skid plate and slide it onto the new one. You can either do this or use a nut and bolt provided in the kit. Now I'm going to install the skid plate onto the bike with the stock bolts. I'm going to use the long bolts on the sides and the short bolts on the front and the bottom. Make sure you install all your bolts loose at first and then go around and tighten them up once you get them all in place. And there we go, just like that, we got the skid plate installed onto the bike. The front holes lined up perfect. Definitely offers a lot more protection. As you can see, the bottom of the bike is protected. No more motor showing. Now that I got the skid plate fitted onto the bike, I have to say I'm pretty happy with it. It offers a lot more protection, it was really easy to install, and the price was right. I can't wait to get out there and put it to use. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my skid plate install on my Sur-Ron Ultra B. Ride safe.